manufacturing company. We manufacture electromechanical solenoids. That's a unique term, but it basically means proportional solenoids for cars, trucks, buses, motorcycles, off-road vehicles, John Deere to Harley to General Motors. Well, we started in 1996 in my dining room.
Growth was slow over the first few years, and then we began production for several small customers, which then led to one larger customer.
And then it grew pretty steadily from 2 million to 4 million to 8 million, and we'll be looking at about a $10 million run this year.
Well, we realized early on that even as a small company, we needed to have ISO and quality procedures of a large company in order to convince the customers we have that we were a viable entity.
We were looking at a program with Harley-Davidson, and having the ISO certificate was really, it was mandatory.
So WMEP helped us immensely there.
Helping us establish standards, policies, procedures, the basic things of flowcharts that, we all knew, but it was a small business, so at that point, we didn't have things documented. So going through the formal process of getting things documented, getting standard operating procedures written up, it was very helpful. WMEP's professional that came in really helped us through that process of, okay, this is what the ISO standard is, but this is what it really means and how we can apply it to ourselves. He wasn't telling us how to do it, but just helping us through the self-discovery.
We've also done some lean programs with them, and those tools have been invaluable.
Like many businesses, we were looking at how can we lean out our processes and procedures to really streamline things and make things more efficient. So WMEP came out, and at first we went through more of an executive overview of what lean was and doing some value stream mapping and that type of thing. After we finished with that process, we decided, it's really more beneficial if we had even our production people out on the line come in and go through the exercise of what lean is and the the difference in batch processing versus one-piece flow and how that can benefit. Having them go through that exercise is really key. It really brought a lot of inefficiencies to light that, as management we don't necessarily notice, but they see because they're doing it every day. So it was so important and critical.
Gaining the core tools of value stream mapping and other lean operations has definitely gone to the bottom line.
And then we also started to look at increasing business, so we went to Export Tech. Export Tech helped us streamline some of the paperwork. We went through it and obtained a gold key. We ended up finding a rep service in Europe, and it increased our sales probably to the tune of $500,000, and now doing better things smarter with better shipping, better logistics going overseas, and again, actually finding a rep overseas to help us push that market even further and faster. Yeah, without a doubt, WMEP is a good resource that's helped us along the way quite a bit.